If you've ever opened Epic Games and wondered where your already installed games went, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find games that are already installed on Epic Games Launcher using a super quick method that takes just a few seconds. This is perfect if your library looks crowded, if you've got a lot of owned games, or if you just want to jump straight into something you already installed without scrolling forever. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy gaming tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Epic Games Launcher on your computer and wait for it to load fully. Once it's open, look on the left-hand side and click on Library. This is where all of your Epic Games titles are listed, including the ones you own, the ones you've downloaded, and the ones that are ready to play. Now here's the easiest part. In the library, look for games that are marked with the word Launch. If a game shows launch, that means it is already installed on your PC and ready to open right away. So instead of seeing install, you'll see launch, which is your clear sign that the game is already on your system. You can simply click launch to start playing immediately. If you want an even faster way to narrow things down, use the installed filter inside your library. Depending on how your library is displayed, you may see a filter option or a tag that says installed. Click that installed tag and Epic Games will filter out everything except the games that are already installed. This is especially useful if you have a big library and don't want to search through every single title manually. Once the filter is applied, you'll only see the games you can launch right away. From there, just pick the game you want and click launch. That's really all there is to it. If a game says install, it has not been downloaded yet. If it says launch, it's already installed and ready to go. So the quickest way to find your installed games on Epic Games Launcher is to go to Library and look for Launch, or use the installed filter to show only those games. It's fast, simple, and it saves you a lot of time when you just want to get into your game without digging through your whole library. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful gaming tips, and I'll see you in the next one.